Hey, what's up guys? So, in this video, I am going to show you how do you lock Instagram on iPhone with Face ID. So, let's start. So, first, go ahead and open up shortcuts on your iPhone. Now from here, tap on Automation on the bottom. Tap on Create Personal Automation. Now from here, scroll down and tap on App. Now from here, make sure that is opened is selected and then tap on App. Now here, search for Instagram and tap on Next. Tap on Add Action and search for Start Timer. Now change the time to 1 second and tap on Next. Also be sure to turn off Ask Before Running. Now after this, tap on Done. Now open up your clock and set timer at 1 second. And when timer ends, stop playing. Now here, when you open up Instagram, it is going to lock your phone within 1 second and you need to open it with your Face ID. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.